Being an IELTS trainer is not really an easy job. It includes daily activities, managing tasks, evaluating writing and speaking tests, taking live classes, discussing doubts, and many other things. Along with it, you also do comprehensive discussion with students and their guardians regarding when the candidate can appear for the IELTS exam. And that's not all. Even after working full-time, the salary is very limited. So in this video, I'm going to explain different sources of income you can use as an IELTS trainer. Now, there are more than 3 million students who sit for IELTS exam every year, but not everyone is able to clear it in the first attempt. And those who are not able to, they do not want entire coaching classes again. They might be looking for module-specific programs such as writing evaluation program or only speaking evaluation program. And there are many who just need to revise the program to revise the concept so that they can sit for the second attempt. And there are many who just need a self-learning program because of the time constraint they have due to their jobs. So here are the 7 services that you can list on your website to generate some extra income. Number 1. IELTS reality test. IELTS reality test is a mock test in which students appear in before going for the actual exam. IELTS reality test is conducted under the same environment and time constraints as it would be in a real exam. So students take this exam for 2 reasons. First, to check his preparation and become more comfortable with the actual exam. And the second reason is the cost. The actual IELTS exam costs around $250. So students want to check his practice before paying $250. You can enable IELTS reality test on your website. You can upload reading, listening, writing and speaking using IELTS LMS and set up minimal cost of $15 to $20 only. User will come on your website, they will subscribe for $15-20 reality test and check his performance before going for the actual exam. This way, even if you sell 100 subscriptions or 100 reality tests in a month, you are making extra $2,500 every month. So this could be a great source of income, and there are very limited websites who are doing it. So if you have IELTS LMS, you can enable such type of services which are quite unique and not common on every IELTS website. Second service that you can enable on your website is writing evaluation service. Now, writing is considered as one of the toughest modules in IELTS, and it's a big audience who want writing evaluation by the expert trainer. Now here's the business hack for you. Add writing tests on your website and enable sample answer for each test and set all the writing tests for free. This way anyone can come on your site, they can give writing tests and compare his answer with the sample answer. And below that, enable an option saying pay $10 or $20 if you want to get evaluation by the trainer. Now all those tests are free, anyone can come and give it for free, but they only have to pay if they want to get evaluation from you. And this way, even if you have 20 students who are just taking services for 5 tests, you are generating another $1,000 every month. Now there are many sites who are generating millions using this option, and by using IELTS LMS, you can also add writing tests, enable sample answers and set payment for each writing test. I hope this option will help you generate some extra revenue. Third option is speaking evaluation service. It works the same way as writing evaluation service, which I explained earlier. Now there are 2 ways to enable this option on your website. First is by using Calendly Pro. Now Calendly Pro allows you to set up your timetable and choose the dates in which you are available in. You can also set the payment option there. User will come to your website, will book the time and slot he want to book the one-to-one evaluation of, and also make the payment, and you both will get a Zoom link so you both can connect at the same time. And the second method is by using Speaking Virtual Assistant by IELTS LMS. Similar to writing, you can upload speaking tests on your website, enable the sample answer. User can come and take the speaking test for free, see the sample answer and only pay for the test he want to get the evaluation of. This way you can also make the decent amount. Fourth, you can enable practice worksheets or sectional tests on your website. Now everyone who is preparing for IELTS does need this option wherein they can practice sectional tests or full mock tests. So you can create a packages of 5 tests, 10 tests or 15 tests and set your own cost and integrate with your payment gateway. Anyone who wants to practice the content can come, make a payment and get the access of this test. There are very few websites on internet who are selling mock test series and they are doing a great business. And others who has this option either copied the content from somewhere or they're using a third-party software which has the same content. So you don't have much competition here. Using IELTS LMS, you can enable advanced options such as automatic band score. You can also enable the reporting and the explanation for each answer. Enabling mock test series option on your website will increase the value of your website and also leave a good impression on your users. Number 5. B2B Services. Do you ever get a feeling that you are a good IELTS trainer, you have good student reviews, you are good at what you already do, then why you need to learn the marketing? This is not even your own field. Well, pandemic has changed a lot of things, and if you get the same feeling, you are not alone. B2B could be the next marketing solution for you. In B2B, you will provide services to institutes instead of students directly. Let me give an example. Let's say I have an institute and I have 100 students. I am good at marketing and I know how to reach out to students. Now my goal is to help my students score well. So I will purchase 100 IDs from you and you will give me at a very affordable price. And this way we both be benefited. B2B is the best way to reach out to thousands of students, and with this model, you can focus more on your teaching methods instead of focusing on number. If you are someone who has created video courses, mock tests or any other material which can help students score better in IELTS and you want my help reach out to other institutes, you can email me. I have added email in the description below. I hope you liked this video. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below or you can email me directly. If you are new to this channel, click on subscribe button. I will share similar videos which will help you grow your IELTS business. Thank you so much for your time. I will see you in the next video.